Alright, y'all, we starting a search and rescue mission again. We're in the truck. There's Wimp. There's Travis. Trent's in front of us. Oh Lord, he turning, Jesus. Ooh, this fly gonna make me kill myself. Trent's in front of us.
A fly gonna bar you? Yeah.
You.
Okay.
Y'all, pray for us that we find
She gonna be waiting on us
this calf, and pray for us that Tina Curl does not try to mow us down. It's getting real out here. The McCain Farm Chronicles. We about to get it. We about to get her done. We're gonna be successful this time, y'all.
I know. I got my lucky hat on today.
It was a little hot earlier, but it's going down. Trent is flying. Why is he flying? Why are you going so fast?
He's scared of that car. I mean, you know, she come down on you. Yeah, she can really hurt you if she get a hold of you. But
go figure. 2,000 pounds. Yeah.
We done had a good meal at Applebee's. I'm ready to go. I got plenty of energy.
Yeah, we done had a good meal, so we ready to go. Terry, part 2 of the documentary of the McCain Farm
Can
Chronicles.
we save this calf? That's what's the point. Can we save this calf?
We got to save the calf.
That's
We got
money.
to find her.
That's money.
We got to find her. We got to get her. We got to get her. Hey, Ashley. Hey, Dominique. Hey, Pamela. We back on the way. We trying to get this calf. We headed
got
that way.
reinforcements. We got Double D, Trent.
Hey, Mark. We got some reinforcements. Yep. I got a Louisville Slugger in case I need it, just to keep them at bay. I don't want nobody trampling over me. And we back on the scene.
Tell you something. You get close enough, you have to use that baseball bat on Tina Curl. You in trouble.
Oh my God. I won't get it, Terry. You got to show this video to Shannon, because she going to be dying.
How do you put it on YouTube?
I don't know. I'm trying to save the baby, Pam. I'm trying to save the baby. Please save the baby.
She don't want her to be saved. Don't save her.
Y'all, this is real. We're trying to really get the baby. Okay. Hey, Derek. How you doing? Derek, I need your help. Come up here and help us get this calf.
We're going to go around, come in the backside instead of...
Well, you should have told that to Trent.
Well, I'm going to let him park up here, but I'm going to get out and walk down to the backside, try to sneak in from the back.
No, Pamela, we don't know where it's at. We finna walk and try to find her. We got a pretty good idea. We know where she ran to, but we don't know if she's still there, hiding or whatever. But we finna, here we go. Lord Jesus. I got my hat on this time, so I don't know what the hat gonna do. But he gonna call and ask what we gonna do. We finna walk the back of the field and see if we can save. This is real life, y'all. This ain't nothing fake. This is real. This is real.
Here the back property line right here. We're going to go in. We're going to be quiet. We're going to go in. Go over the fence. Go in. We're going to try to go down that hill toward the creek where she was hiding at to begin with.
We got to go under this fence?
No, we can go through the fence. I'll help you get through the fence.
Oh, Jesus. Here we go. Here it is, Liz. I gotta be quiet. I can't talk loud.
I gotta get me a dip of Stoker's before I go.
Here we go, y'all. It's finna get real. Travis is stretching in case we had to run. He's stretching. Shit. I mean, shoot. It was me, I'm sorry. Where's my bag? Get my bag, Travis. Get my bag. We walking. Well. There's some cows right there. They running. Are they going to eat? Okay, y'all, here we go. Here we go.
I went to bull right there.
Okay, there go the bull. We finna go, y'all. Here we go. We walking. That's Trent. Gotta let the bull get out of the way.
You don't want him to get stirred up.
Okay, y'all, here we go.
Come on, get on the fence. You shouldn't have wore them tight blue jeans. You can't even get your leg on the fence. Go.
My leg is caught on the fence.
You don't wear them tight jeans.
Shut up. That's all the jeans I got. Alright. I got my bag. We walking looking for the cow. Y'all, this is real life. This is real. This is real, y'all. Shoot, sorry. This is real. What's that down there? Is that a cow? Travis should be looking for them.
We're gonna get out. There's something happening.
I don't know.
This was not planned.
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. I'm gonna get over that part of the fence. We can get over there.
Jump over there.
What? I ain't going over there by myself.
It's too much.
I'm scared to death. I got this bag. I'm hiding in the trees. Trapped in the trees. I'm hiding in the trees. I'm trying to find a way of escape. Well,
Too much.
I'm scared that you're gonna have to do something. Go back to the fence. fence, y'all. I'm scared. I ain't gonna lie. I was all hyped. But my nerves is tore up right about now. I'm gonna get over now. Hold my camera. Hold my camera.
She get off the fence just in case. Back up here, thinking on that.
I'm scared to death.
She done hid it up here somewhere, because it's not down there where it was. They was right up here. Let's hid up here somewhere.
Well, you go up there. Travis, you gonna get over the fence? Or you can make it.
Yes, I can make it.
Y'all, I'm over the fence. And I'm walking through the wilderness. Oh, Lord. Hope I don't walk over no snake. Ow, something caught my... Y'all, this is crazy. Why did I think we could find darn cow? Oh, shoot, what is this? Why did I think we could find the calf? Oh, I broke down, y'all. This is... Something just stuck straight through me. What? What? I'm not getting back over that fence. I'm scared. Huh? Yes, go on, Trav. I'm trying to get through the wilderness. All right. I'm getting back over the fence, y'all. Whew. Lord, I'm climbing the fence. Whew. I got tired, y'all. This search and rescue mission. I don't know about this. I'm gonna be close to where I can get out. William is all the way down there. He looking. What I'm looking for is the cows to come back. He way down there, y'all. They're Travis. And I'm right here. Y'all can hear them, can't you? Y'all, this is serious business here. This is my life. I'm so hot. My nerves is tore up. I'm watching to see if they come back around. Watch that way. I'm watching this way. Y'all, let's get serious. What if they come? My husband trying to get me down there. I'm scared. Here come Trent now. Maybe Trent can go down there with him. 'Cause I ain't going down there. I can't do it. talked all this stuff about a rescue. I don't know if I can do it, y'all. My nerves are shot. And I got hung on that fence. I got hung on that fence. And you got to look both ways to see if they're coming, because they can come up both ways on you. And your eyes got to be to and fro. You got to look this way. And you got to look this way.
They're coming back.
That's why I'm standing here waiting. No, Liz. My son is here.
Back in here somewhere, 'cause they was up here. It's not down there by the creek no more. So it's right in the trees somewhere. Did you see Tina up there? Yeah. Well, that calf is right in here. It's not by the creek no more.
Because all the cows was over here.
They was right here.
And then they came up there.
Probably coming back because they just got done eating.
Well,
They coming back?
Look in these bushes right here.
They coming back over here?
Yeah. I couldn't lock them up. The gate was stuck. The dump. There's so much crap done piled up you can't move it. And they was just sitting there looking.
Oh, Lord.
Do you see them coming, Trent?
I don't see through all this.
I mean, you can see them when they coming.
You can't see them, you're going to hear them.
She's got her head right in worked up on.
Because I'm going to try to walk down here with your daddy, but you got to...
You, all people,
You do not
know
need to be
you don't need to
doing
be walking there. And you in the purple shirt, you don't need to be walking down there through there either.
Well, William, you go down there. We'll stay right here. I will alert you when she
I
comes.
ain't worried about her. I don't want to make Romeo mad.
Oh, what's the difference? They both big.
Well, a mad woman, I've seen that before.
He trying to be funny.
You want to go down through there?
Come on, Frank.
I'm turning around.
What you scared of?
Death. Oh, Jesus.
I'll go around this way, William. What Trent say? If I see them coming up through here, I'm going to break.
Do stuff out of fear, then you just going to mess up and make a mistake. If you're scared of Romeo, you're going to be...
I'm not scared of Romeo. I just don't want to get him stand up.
I'm scared of all of them.
The only one that'll hurt you be the mama.
Can she smell us?
Well, we got the wind in our favor because the wind's blowing to the north. But he ain't gonna do nothing. He's good. He's a good one. I'm just worried about. I don't want none of y'all to get hurt.
Exactly. We don't want to get hurt either. Y'all, when I turn the hat,
By myself.
when I turn the hat to the back, it's some serious business right here now. It's some serious business.
Now, Romeo comes through that cedar tree. How's what Mom gonna do? He'll look like that.
William walking down there. We're trying to get the baby calf that ran off this morning, Ann. My nerves is tore up, y'all. He's still walking down there. We inside the fence, but I don't think I can do a lot of running. Yeah, he got jokes. Trent now is gone. How do I get out?
Mama, come on.
I see some trees moving. Get the hell on. I mean, get on.
Oh, he's so...
Whew. Excuse me. Excuse me, y'all. My nerves. It might be the wind blowing, but I sure got up out of there. I'm gonna walk down the road. You gonna get some gas? Trent going to get the gas. I'm gonna walk down this road, field road. Y'all excuse me. Honey, I'm outside the gate now, and I'm just walking. I talked all that big stuff, didn't I?
Right.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared. 2,000 pounds? Mm-mm.
What you say?
Something stuck in my leg.
What's
Y'all,
stuck
this
in
is
your
real.
leg?
Them sticker, them bra things.
They ain't poisonous, are they?
Yeah, Pamela, I had it, but my son just left. Because he said he's about to run out of gas. So, that went along with him. Now I'm walking, trying to find my husband. He off in this mess. Trying to find the calf. I found him. Walk up through here. He looking at him. He got his eye on him, y'all. He got his eye on him.
She's not up, she done went back down here. She's back down in there. Well, she got hid at, that's why she went back there. Yeah, she done went back down the hill. She got it hid back there somewhere. I didn't see it.
And you didn't see her?
She done went back down that thicket. I don't want to go down there on my feet. I might drive we'll ride down there in the truck. I'm not going on my feet because she'll hurt you. She's always been mean, calf, no calf. She's mean. What's that girl?
He's about to run out of gas. He went to get some gas. He told Sarah Jane, get in his truck, let's go. Nope. Liz, not yet. And yeah, this is country living, girl. This is real life. This need to be on TV. They can film us, because this is what we do. Well, this is what they do. You know, I don't do all that. I don't do all that. We think we know where it is because we can't find the mama, and the mama has went back in the thicket. So we think the mama has found the baby, or the baby has reunited with the mama. And we just gotta go. We're gonna drive the truck down there so we can see if the baby's down there, because we gotta get the baby so we can bottle feed the baby. Because the mama's udders is messed up. So we got to get the baby today. That's no if and buts about it. We got to take her. Got to. So, McCain Chronicles. Farm life. Yeah. It got serious for a minute because I was scared. Alright, we're gonna get in the truck, y'all. You put my bag in the bag.
We'll go back. We'll drive down in the truck. We're not gonna walk.
I put my phone in there.
It's in the console. We ain't gonna walk down there. We'll drive the truck.
No, we're not walking.
She put a dent in this old truck. I don't care.
I don't want to be in here with you.
I'd rather be in here than on my feet.
Well, yeah.
She's always been just terrible, mean, bad attitude.
Ain't that a ditch over there?
Oh, Lord.
We bagging up. I know, Ann, that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to do, girl. This is real life. This ain't no love and hip hop. This is for real. For real. McCain Family Chronicles, farm life. Y'all be riding down the road now, finna go on the other side of the place. Lord, to try to search and rescue. Somebody won't come help. We need your help. We need all hands on deck.
Yeah. Nah, they ain't nobody.
She went down.
Where's she at?
See her?
She's not up there. I didn't see her.
She's a light color.
Did you see her?
That's her right there, Wham.
It is, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe, I bet right there where she got it up on the hill. Farmer, you drive through and open it.
All right.
I'm gonna get back.
We not getting out.
They need help, man.
All he gonna do is
Open the gate.
I'm driving through, y'all.
See when you record.
Mm-hmm. Close that gate and get back on the back. Get back in here.
I'll bring it. Do I press this?
Mm-hmm. That goes back and forth.
Alright. Okay.
They looking at the cow.
Yeah. They already know what's up. Here she come. You see her?
Here she come, Wham. Here she come.
She know we up to it again. She's not crazy.
All right, there's the cows right there.
She end up going, she gotta go to the West Tennessee Stockyard where she gonna go.
Now there's Tina Curl. That's the one. We looking for her baby. She looking. Roll up that window. I'm scared. Y'all see her?
Hey girl, we just riding. Bye. Yeah, okay.
She look mean as all get out.
Did she turn around?
She's standing there. She looking like, where y'all going?
She looking, y'all. See her in my window? She looking like, where y'all finna go? Was she going on to the barn?
So we think. She walk.
Where she at? Right along here?
I guess.
Be looking on these fence row, that tree line. She'll hide it somewhere where it's a thicket or something. Or like under one of these cedar trees or something. She'll hide it.
We looking. I don't see nothing.
I can't see her. We need to get where we can see her.
Yeah, get where you can see her and I can tell you when she coming again.
She's still standing. She's looking back.
Yeah, she's just standing there right now. Oh, shoot.
She's looking at.
She's smart, y'all.
She is smart. Evil, what she is.
I'm gonna get out too. Cause I got to let him know when she coming. Y'all, she looking. Travis, you let us know when any of them come. Okay? Just don't know where she is. The calf is here, y'all. We just can't seem to find it because the mama is up there watching. She ain't moved.